Hi, my name is Rose. When you eat regular things like pizza, pasta, bread, burgers, and even dessert, your gut releases a metabolic hormone called GLP-1. This potent hormone instantly decreases glucose absorption in your blood. It ensures that your meal is converted to energy rather than stored as fat. It also implies that you feel more satiated after eating and won't have many cravings for snacks. When GLP-1 does not function properly, you cannot melt fat no matter what you do. You absorb food too quickly after eating, causing your blood glucose levels to rise. Glucose is entering your bloodstream at a rate that is too fast for insulin to convert to energy. As a result, your liver turns the excess glucose to fat, which accumulates on your tummy, buns, hips, arms, and even your face. As a result, your glucose levels become irregular, causing you to experience uncontrollable food cravings. That is what has been happening in your body, as it has in the bodies of millions of other people over the age of 40 who are dealing with their weight. How does flat belly shake work? So you now understand why those diets you tried so hard to stick to didn't work. Instead, you transformed everything you ate to fat, no matter how little you ate. The good news is that Flat Belly Shake can help you support your potent GLP-1 hormone. Flat Belly Shake's components help GLP-1 in your stomach by fighting oxygen radicals. Pollution, radiation, and poisons in water and food contribute to the formation of oxygen radicals, a disruptive chemical. So, what exactly are those ingredients? Let us investigate. Flat Belly Shake ingredients. The composition of Flat Belly Shake comprises a variety of 5 natural herbs and minerals that are effective and powerful in destroying fats. In addition, Flat Belly Shake features uncommon and exotic ingredients that are difficult to come by. Mangosteen, Panax ginseng, ashwagandha, ECGC. One study found that EGCG increases the rate of lipid oxidation or fat burning. Thus, regular ingestion of EGCG can enhance the health of overweight people who exercise regularly by lowering their heart rate and blood glucose levels. On the other hand, body fat loss may necessitate a higher consumption of EGCG and other catechins and the inclusion of metabolic stimulants. Cinnamon bark. Benefits. It aids you in reaching your weight loss objectives. Provides you with a thin, toned, and fit figure. Allows you to obtain greater amounts of energy. It is beneficial to both the brain and the digestive system. It aids in the recuperation process after exercise. The body's lean muscle mass is preserved. It enhances your self-esteem. All natural ingredients that are known to work. FDA-approved supplement. Guaranteed money back. We urge that you consult with your physician or other certified health providers before using the Lanta Flat Belly Shake, and obtain medical approval to use the Lanta Flat Belly Shake. To reap the most benefits from Flat Belly Shake, mix a single scoop with water or another beverage of your choice and drink it once a day in the morning. Any adult over 18, male or female of the age, can take the Lanta Flat Belly Shake. It doesn't matter how much extra weight you're carrying, if you believe your age is working against you, or if you think nothing ever works for you. If you have a medical condition, consult your doctor first to ensure that you can take Flat Belly Shake. Flat Belly Shake is suitable for people of all ages, genders, sizes, and shapes. Where to buy Flat Belly Shake? The Flat Belly Shake may only be purchased from the company's official website. It's not on Amazon, eBay, or anywhere else, for that matter. Some sellers have attempted to make knockoffs of Flat Belly Shake. However, the ideal approach to acquire this offer is to go to their official website and fill out your address. You can expect your package to arrive within 2 to 3 days due to their quick delivery. The prices are as follows. 1 bottle, $69 plus SNH. 3 bottles, $59 per bottle plus free SNH. 6 bottles, $49 per bottle plus free SNH. Flat Belly Shake is totally guaranteed for a full 365 days from when you place your order or your money back. For further information, click in the description this video.